Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at BitTorrent project, how to sell and withdraw your BTT to your wallet and sell it to your local bank account. So if you're mining this project, come closer. We are going to experiment everything fully. So what I'm going to do is to locate this place, this wallet session. Tap on the wallet session. So mind you, before you'll be able to withdraw your BTT, you must have at least 1000 BTT before you'll be able to withdraw. The minimum you can withdraw out from this project is 10 USDT. So another thing you need to understand is, before you'll be able to use their P2P session, you must have passed your KYC. Yes, the minimum you can deposit to the platform for you to do your KYC is $10. But if you reach out to me, I'm going to show you how to deposit $1 through their CTC team so that you can perform your KYC. So KYC is the only thing that guarantees you to withdraw from this platform. So what we are going to do now is to click on the P2P. Once you click on P2P, you now click on Start P2P Trading. Here is my BitTorrent balance. Here is my balance. I don't want to go through this method of placing order. Let me just go for instant buy and sell. So I'm not buying, I want to sell. So I'll click on sell quote here. So once you click on sell quote, you are going to choose any of the vendor. You are going to choose any of the vendor and sell your quote. So this particular person, I can sell 102.97 BTT to give me 1.04 USDT. So I'm not going for that person. Just look for any vendor that is okay by you. This particular one, 486 to receive 4.91 USDT. So let me scroll and check the one that I can use. It's going to buy my 1,872 and I'm going to receive 17.42 USDT if I'm selling everything I have. Okay, let me not sell everything I have. So this particular person can buy 1,300 BTT and is giving 11.05 USDT. So let me sell to this person. I'll click on sell. Now this is it. I'm going to put the maximum, which is 1,300. Once you put the maximum, then you click on sell BTT now. Sell BTT now. Then you need to do the confirmation. Yes, proceed. Action successfully. So we are going back. So after you refresh the page, you have seen I have received the 11.5 USDT. Now I can withdraw out from the platform. So you click on the withdrawal, tap on this withdrawal. Once you tap on the withdrawal, the minimum, like I just said before, the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. You can see it here, and you need to copy your USDT address. Look at what they said here. Binance Merchant Network, please double check your wallet address before submitting, because if you make any mistake, your phone is gone and gone for good. And they said Binance Merchant Network, so PEP20 USDT. Let's go and copy the address. I'm now going to click on deposit. Now click on on-chain deposit. Tap on on-chain deposit. So you're going to select USDT Tether. So here I'm going to select network Binance Merchant, that's PEP20. Tap on it. Make sure it's Binance Merchant, please. I'm going to copy the address. So let's go back to BTT. So I'm going to paste my address here. I'm going to paste my address. Then I'll click on get code. Click on get code. Confirmation code sent to your Telegram. So we are going to get it in our Telegram. Confirmation code sent to your Telegram. Let's go to Telegram. So look at it here. I've gotten the confirmation code. Look at it here. 1990. That is the confirmation code. Let me come back here and put it 1990. So you click on submit request. So please make sure before you click on submit request, make sure that your wallet address is correct so that you will not lose your phone. You click on submit request, refresh, withdrawal request submitted successfully. So guys, after 24 hours, I received the money 10 USDT to my BitGet wallet. Can you see? 24 hours, they deducted $1 for withdrawal fee, which is actually fair. Can you see? I placed this withdrawal May 31st, very late at night, and they confirmed the withdrawal June 1st, just 24 hours of placing the withdrawal. So I received it. Can you see that BitTorrent is actually paying? Imagine if you have thousands of these, even before listing, you can be cashing out small, small. So with this, you don't need any other messiah to tell you that BitTorrent is a legit platform. I did not meet any of their CEO to process my transaction. I just placed the transaction and waited for just 24 hours for them system to acknowledge the withdrawal, and they accepted it. Now let's go to my BitGet wallet and find out actually if I received the coin. If you notice, I was having just $5, 5 point something dollar before. Let's click on assets here. If you tap on assets, let's check if the money arrived. So can you see? Crypto deposits 10.5 USDT. This was early this morning that I received the money. Can you see? If you click on done, you are going to see it. Look at it. I'm just showing this so that I will clear all doubt concerning this platform. I didn't wanted to withdraw my money initially, but a lot of people are on my neck. Is this actually paying? Are they doing this? Are they scamming people? With this, I have cleared the air. I don't know any of their developers. I don't know any of the dev team, but I just tried the withdrawal and it happened. Can you see it? So if you have not started, the link will be in the video description. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Mind you, you can as well hold yours. They said that the listing price of BTT will be 0.5. So selling now is as if to say you are wasting your BTT. But I wanted to do it so that I can clarify many people's doubts. But I'm not selling again. I'm going to hold my BTT tight. Do well to accumulate more before the next conversion, which will take place on the 16th of this month.